In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a file from Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. There are two simple ways to do this, and we'll start with sending a file directly through Gmail. Go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're on your inbox, look at the upper left-hand corner and click the Compose button to open a new email. In the new message window, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Google Drive icon, which says Insert Files Using Drive. This will open your Google Drive files in a pop-up window. From here, locate the file you want to send, click on it to select it, then choose how you want to attach it. You can either add it as an attachment or insert it as a Drive link. After selecting your option, enter the recipient's email address and add a subject for your message. When you click Send, Google may prompt you to adjust sharing permissions. Here you can choose whether the recipient can view, comment, or edit the file. You can also allow anyone with the link to access it if needed. Once everything is set, confirm and send your email. Now let's look at the second method, which is sharing directly from Google Drive. Go to the Google Drive website and locate the file you want to send, either in My Drive or inside a folder. Once you find it, right-click on the file and select Share, then click Share again in the secondary menu. A sharing window will appear in the Add People and Groups field. Type the recipient's email address. On the right side, click the permission dropdown to choose whether they can be a viewer, commenter, or editor. You can also type a message if you want to include additional context. Finally, click the Send button in the bottom right corner. The recipient will receive an email with access to the file. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.